Hello, good day, pre-calculus students. So for this topic, we will be discussing the continuation of our chapter 3, which cover topic about angles. Okay, so without further ado, let us start. So angle. So when we say angle, it represents the figure formed by rotating a ray about its endpoint called vertex. So one side of the angle is called the initial side, and the other side of the angle is called the terminal side. So I have a representation here. So we have here the initial side. So this one is the initial side and the other one is the terminal side. Okay, I'm sorry. Ayan, so this one, ito yung ating initial side. Ito naman sa kabila yung ating terminal. So, kapag positive yung angle, yung rotation niya ay counterclockwise. As you can see here, counterclockwise. So, positive siya. Kapag clockwise naman yung rotation, that will be a negative angle. Again, I will repeat. If it's a positive angle, the rotation is counterclockwise. And if it's a negative angle, the rotation is clockwise. Now, let's talk about the position of angles. So, angle in standard position. So, it is an angle whose vertex is at the origin and whose initial side is along the positive x-axis. On the other hand, we have the quadrantal angle. So, it is an angle in standard position whose terminal side lies on the either x-axis or y-axis. So, we have here a 90 degrees. Ayan. And then we have 180 degrees. So, papunta siya sa second quadrant. And then, kapag naman po clockwise, we have negative 270. So, whole rotation is 360 degrees. So, as you can see here, sa isang quadrant, 90 degrees. Kapag pumunta sa pangalawa, we have positive 180 degrees since the rotation is counterclockwise. Kapag naman clockwise, since tatlo yung naging rotation niya sa ating mga quadrants, so that will be negative 270. So coterminal angles. So these are angles having the same terminal side. So, kapag negative coterminal angle, again, it is clockwise. Kapag naman po counterclockwise, it is positive coterminal angles. Okay, so we have formulas. So for angles measured in degrees, we will be using this beta is equal to A plus minus 360 multiplied to k, where k is a positive integer. For angles measured in radian, we have beta is equal to a plus minus 2 pi multiplied to k, where k is a positive integer. So let's have an example. So first, for angle measured in degree, so we have 30 degrees. So we have here 30 plus 360 multiplied by 1. So sa plus muna tayo. Our answer will be 390 degrees. On the other hand, we have subtraction. So 30 minus 360, that will give us negative 330. And that is our answer. Next, for radian naman po, so we have pi rad. So that will be pi plus 2 pi. So that will be 3 pi. And then pi minus 2 pi, that will be negative pi. So that's how you get the coterminal angle. So remember these formulas. Now let's talk about reference angle. So when we say reference angle, so it is denoted by A sub r. So it is the acute angle formed by terminal side of the given angle A and x-axis. So there are four possible cases. So ano tong mga cases na to? It depends on the quadrants. So for positive angle and less 360, that 360 degrees, that is denoted by 2 pi. So case 1, given angle is in quadrant 1. So, ayan po yung given angle natin. It is on quadrant 1 and it is 50 degrees. So, remember that our given angle is equal to our reference angle. That is why our reference angle is 50 degrees. So that is for if the given angle is in quadrant 1. If it's in quadrant 2, ayan, so we have here the given angle 150 degrees since dalawa po yung naging rotation, I mean dalawang quadrant yung nagkaroon ng rotation. So we will subtract 180 degrees by the given angle. So 180 degrees minus A, or if the given is in pi, so pi minus A. So since we have 150 degrees given angle, 180 minus A, or 180 minus 150, our reference angle is 30 degrees. So again, that is for case number 2 if the given angle ay nasa quadrant 2. Case number 3 naman tayo kung yung given angle ay nasa quadrant 3. Ayan, so nandito siya sa quadrant 3. Tandaan nyo, quadrant 1, quadrant 2, quadrant 3, and quadrant 4. So quadrant 3 naman tayo. So tatlo yung naging rotation. So we have here the given angle 220. So since tatlo, that would be A minus 180 degrees or A minus pi. So kung kanina 180 minus A, dito naman sa case number 3, A minus 180. So that would be 220 minus A, 220 minus 180. So we have 40 degrees. Last, we have case number 4 kung ang given angle natin ay nasa quadrant 4. Ayan, so the given angle is 330. So full rotation na ito, no? So our formula will be 360 degrees minus A, or 2 pi minus A. So 360 minus A, 360 minus 330, that is 30 degrees. So remember those 4 cases. I hope that you learned something today. I hope that everyone is doing fine, good, and safe. That would be all, and thank you.